Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set dual apps on your Android phone. So let's get started. Now, in order to set this, first thing is make sure you download the app from the Play Store, as you'll need the app downloaded. So if you haven't downloaded the app, first download the app. And once you download the app, we're going to go ahead and to our setting on our Android phone. Now, from your settings, you're going to look for advanced features. In the advanced features, we're going to go down a little bit further and we're going to look for dual app or dual messenger depending on your Android phone. And now what we can do is create basically a dual app for apps that you downloaded that has this option available. Not all apps will have the dual feature option if it's not supported. So the supported apps will be listed here. So if I tap on this, I can install basically a dual copy or a second copy, which is going to be noted by this little icon here. I can go ahead and do it for these other apps as well. And you notice you'll be able to see two different apps, which are going to be the dual apps here. Those are indicated by this blue icon right here. These are the second copy or the dual one that we have set, like the ones right here as well. So that's how you set dual apps on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.